Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if you're not receiving notifications from Gmail on your Android smartphone. So if you're not getting new email notifications in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the hamburger icon at the top left, and then go down and select the settings button near the bottom. Select General Settings, and then where it says Default Notification Action, go ahead and select it. And where it says Turn on Notifications for Gmail, you're going to have to go ahead and select the Go to Settings button. And you have to allow Gmail notifications, and hopefully that would resolve the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.